Hey there, health champions. Welcome back to Health and Wellness Hub, your go-to place for tips, tools, and gear that help you live healthier and stay strong, no matter your age. Today we're diving into something that every home should have, especially if you truly value your health and wellness. The home workout bike. Yup, that smooth pedaling, sweat-worthy, heart-pumping machine that's changing lives, one ride at a time. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, boost your cardio, or just stay active while working from home, a workout bike is your best friend. And the best part? No gym membership needed, no waiting in line. Just you, your goals, and a few minutes a day. Let me show you 3 to 4 top-tier workout bikes that are making waves in the fitness world, and why one of them might just be perfect for your home. First up, the Peloton Bike Plus. It's sleek, smart, and seriously addictive. With interactive classes, real-time metrics, and a built-in rotating screen, this bike turns your home into a live studio. Whether you're a beginner or a spin class pro, Peloton keeps you motivated, engaged, and coming back for more. Next, the Schwinn IC4, a true budget-friendly beast. Quiet, smooth, and Bluetooth-enabled, it pairs with popular fitness apps like Zwift and Peloton Digital. It's perfect if you want pro-level performance without breaking the bank. Then we have the Nordic Track S22 iStudio Cycle. This one's all about elevation, literally. It comes with incline and decline options to mimic real-world terrain. Add to that the immersive iFit experience with global rides and personalized coaching. And you've got a virtual journey around the world right from your living room. Last but not least, the Yasuda Indoor Bike. Affordable, compact, and solid. If you're tight on space but big on ambition, this is your perfect match. It's built for consistency, durability, and that get-on-and-go simplicity. No matter your space, schedule, or fitness level, there's a bike out there ready to support your journey. And the best part? You can get any of these bikes today by clicking the affiliate links below to visit my Amazon store. Your purchase means the world to us. Not only does it help support this channel, but it also helps us continue bringing you trusted wellness tips, product previews, and real value every single week. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Why? Because every week we bring you honest reviews, healthy living tips, workout motivation, and family-friendly advice on staying fit, no matter your age or lifestyle. By subscribing, you're joining a community of people just like you, people who believe that health is wealth and wellness is worth the effort. Health and Wellness Hub is here to serve you, young or old beginner or fitness junkie. We're all about helping families live healthy, stay strong, and feel their absolute best. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to better health starts right at home. Catch you in the next one.